What's good, y'all? I'm MJ. If you're new here, I am a photographer, video creator, and model. I live in New York. If you're not, then what's good? Welcome back. So today we're going to be shooting a little product spec type commercial with some shoes. I got a new pair of shoes, and if you know me, you're probably like, of course you did. But these are different. Yeah, these are different. So this might look familiar, might not. You see it? Upside down, yeah. You see it. Yeah, A Ma Maniére streetwear boutique, owned by a black man, James Whitner. And the quality on these shoes is crazy. The details on these shoes is crazy. So we're gonna be highlighting it today, going over that with this little video. I'm not sure how I got a pair still, but I'm excited. So I am tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up. I got a few more shots I wanna get, and I'll edit it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any advice, let me know. But hopefully the finished version turned out well. And if not, we'll just do better next time. So that's it for me though. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Okay, so, yeah, here we are. You might be wondering, I thought you said be easy and that'd be the end of the video, and I thought so too, but here we are. I went back through the footage, started to edit it the next day, and this is what came up. I don't know what happened, why that happened. I updated the firmware on my camera, so hopefully it doesn't happen anymore. I'll format my memory card. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't happen anymore when I shoot in 60 frames, which is what made it happen last time. I don't know why. I guess this is why people clown people that use Nikons. But here we are. So yeah, I'm going to reshoot everything, absolutely everything. So I mean, I set up everything and then break everything down and remove furniture and all that stuff. So I'm excited for that. If this happens again, that thing you're saying, little inverted colors, thing happens again, after I've updated the firmware and everything and formatted the memory card, I'm probably gonna sell my cameras and switch to what? I don't know, but we shall see. If you saw a video, then I got it done in time. If not, then some shit happened, but such is life. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. It's going to be an interesting journey, this whole thing. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Y'all be easy.